Let's take a look at how to set up your Crystal Quest water pitcher. Start by taking the pitcher out of its packaging. Remove the lid, lift out the reservoir, and set the filter cartridge aside. Be sure to give the lid and reservoir a quick wash with mild soap and water. Grab your filter cartridge, place it upright in cold water, and let it soak for 20 minutes. This only needs to be done on the first use, helping activate the carbon within the filter and removing any granular fines. When 20 minutes is up, go ahead and rinse your cartridge under cold running water for 10 to 15 seconds. With everything primed, it's time to put it back together. First, we'll place the reservoir back into the pitcher, making sure it's positioned correctly. Then, we can place the filter cartridge into the reservoir, giving it a firm press to ensure a tight seal. Don't forget to set your replacement dial 6 to 12 months out, depending on how often you use your pitcher. With that done, fill your new pitcher with water. When installing a new cartridge, we recommend filling and emptying the pitcher twice before regular use to ensure it's been thoroughly activated. And that's it! Your Crystal Quest pitcher is ready to deliver fresh, clean, great-tasting water. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Leave a comment below, give us a call, or visit us at crystalquest.com.